After checking in, they'll have somebody to escort you to your room because the resort is so big. Once I got to my room, I was blown away. It was very, very clean. This was the kitchen area, which had a refrigerator, a microwave, a toaster oven, and a coffee maker. It also had dishes in the cabinets, in which I should have showed y'all, but I forgot. It had dishes, and the trash can was underneath the sink. This was the sitting area, which was very spacious. If you're coming with your family members or, somebody else, you'll have room to sit down and eat. The sofa here, I believe, was a pull-out bed. It was nice. It was soft and plush. They had a nice sized TV in the living room. Now this closet right here, it had the ironing board in here. Well, the iron in here. The ironing board was actually in the bedroom closet, so you will get an ironing board and an iron. Also had a safe. And this was the bedroom, y'all. It was very spacious. The bed was a king size bed, and it was very clean. The sheets and everything were clean. It had a small TV in the room, but good size for you. This was the closet area in the bedroom, and there's the ironing board. Now this was the bathroom going into the restroom. It had a big jacuzzi tub, which was very spacious. Of course, I didn't use it, but it was big, nice, a lot of mirrors and everything. No overhead shower, just a regular shower. It was spacious though. Had plenty of room in there. They had just your shampoo and conditioner and some soap in there for you too. They had a blow dryer, so if you forget your blow dryer, they'll have one for you. They also, this where the towels and rags and everything was underneath the sink. So anything you needed extra, just look under the bathroom sink for it. Had plenty of towels and rags and everything. This was the patio area, y'all, my balcony. It was beautiful. The balcony is pretty small, but it's, you have a balcony. You can go out and look out. And I had a beautiful view of the pool. And I guess that was a lake over there.